Imagine this. Your to-do list is huge, the day is almost over, and you feel stuck. Take a slow breath. Today, we won't fight procrastination. We'll learn to be kind to it and gently move anyway. First, notice what you avoid. Is it fear of failure or fear of not being perfect? Picture procrastination as a shy cloud, not a monster. When you see it softly, it loses power over you. Now shrink the task. Instead of finish everything, try work for 5 kind minutes. Set a gentle timer in your mind, like a candle slowly burning, not a loud alarm yelling at you. Create a tiny starting ritual, a sip of water, a deep breath, opening your notebook. The goal is not progress yet, just showing up. Let your body learn that starting can feel safe and simple. Work in soft waves. 10 minutes of focus, 2 minutes of rest. During the work wave, close extra tabs in your mind. During the rest wave, stretch, look outside, and thank yourself for trying. Talk to yourself as you would to a dear friend. It's okay to be slow. Starting small is still starting. Gentle words reduce inner resistance, making room for calm, steady action. When you slip back into scrolling or daydreaming, notice it without shame. Gently guide your attention back like returning a butterfly to a flower, again and again with patience. By ending today, choose one tiny action. Write one sentence, sort one paper, take one step. Small wins slowly rewrite your story. You are someone who moves forward, kindly, one gentle moment at a time.